Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some very beautiful ideas for you. These are embroidery hoop art ideas with cute girl designs. If you want new gift ideas for girls, then this video is for you. So let's start. So what is this? These are round embroidery hoops, and inside the hoop we made a cute girl with a beautiful dress. The dress is made with fabric, lace and small flowers. Every girl has a different dress and different color. This art is called hoop art and people love this so much. First you can use this idea for birthday gifts. We can write happy birthday on the hoop, add a pink dress, some flowers and a small cake. It will look so cute and special for birthdays. Second, you can use this for weddings. We can make a boy and a girl together, or we can make a beautiful bride in a red or purple dress. This looks very classy and unique for wedding gifts. Third, you can make this for friends. We can make 2 girls, 3 girls or 4 girls together. We can write sisters forever or best friends on it. This is the best gift for your best friend. She will love it. At last, we can add a calendar on the hoop like August, September or April, so it becomes a memory gift too. So these are some new hoop art girl ideas for birthdays, weddings, friends and for memories. I hope you like these ideas. Please tell me in the comments which design did you like the most. So enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.